With Microsoft Copilot and project operation, organizations can more effectively create and manage tasks associated with their projects, or even identify potential risks easily with just a few clicks of the button. Let's take a look at how this can be done. The first is to simplify task creation. This is done by first identifying the project that you want to create. So in this case, we're going to type in that we're creating a new housing construction project. This is important because this is what is providing the context for us as the task that will be generated later. After you save the project for the first time, you will now have some different information related to what it is that you want to work with. The first item that you'll see in here is generating a task plan. By clicking on task plan, Copilot is going to go out and identify that there are specific types of tasks that need to be created in order to facilitate that. It's going to look at things like the project start date, project end date, and anything that you have defined specifically related to this project, and it will create tasks associated with that. As you can see, it has identified that we need to dig the foundation, grading the site, preparing the soil, and it even estimated durations based upon how much time that we plugged into the individual product. This is a great way that you can use Copilot to quickly generate information to help you work through a project. Another option that you have available is the ability to actually perform risk assessments. So when you're looking at risks associated with a project, you can go up to the Copilot section and the system will give you an option to go ahead and facilitate creating of risk assessments. This is going to evaluate all of the information that's happened, timeframes, actuals, expenses, anything that's been added into this project, and it's going to come up with a risk plan based upon those individual scenarios. So it will tell us in this case that there's a problem or a potential risk with this project exceeding the budget. And then it even gives us some additional information as to why that might occur. And it also comes up with a plan or a mitigation plan to be able to facilitate that. Additionally, the other option that we can do is we can create status reports. By going in and facilitating status reports, we can identify if this status report is going to be for internal or external use. Based upon the option that we select, it will go out and create a project status report, and it'll pull that information in, and it will tell us exactly what's happening. So it gives us information related to the project summary, financials, and any other relevant information that might be important to us as we're moving forward.